Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Hello everyone, it is Gentendo here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video. I am going to be decorating my desk and parts of my room for Pinkmas. I've been having this like gingerbread aesthetic theme for a while in my head and I wanted to make it cute and pink and girly. So that is just what I'm going to try to do. I'm gonna be going to At Home, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx. So we are going to head out right now and go to the store and buy the decorations. So as I showed the before, this is the desk. This is my pink and yellow desk. We are going to be transforming this into a gingerbread Christmas village. It's going to be so cute, hopefully. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm hoping the inspiration will just come to me as I go. But first things first, we have to take all my beloved pink and yellow things down because they are going to take a backseat for the next month to 2 months. Now we have a bare desk. It's so blank. I haven't seen it like this in a long time, so it is so exciting to kind of decorate it. I have a vision for it now that it's coming together, but I just feel like it needs to have a little bit of Gentendo touches to really bring it together, so I'm gonna do it right now. So now time to add the gingerbread garland. I think this is really going to bring together the village and I think it's gonna be so cute. I love gingerbread and I can't wait to add this. So I'm gonna do this right now. I am going to decorate this mini tree for my nightstand. It matches my big tree in my room, so I wanted a little one to be just right by my bed. So I'm going to do it by adding some ornaments and some fairy lights and just making it as cute and girly as possible. my desk, I have these ornaments that match my tree and my little tree. I'm going to be having it trickle down from the ceiling along with the snowflakes, so it gives it more of a look and ties everything together. But we'll see. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, so finally the Christmas decorations is complete. It took me a hot minute, but I'm finally ready to show a little cozy desk setup reveal. But that is not all. I want to show the desk in action at nighttime, so I'm going to be showing the Christmas cozy desk at night. So get ready to see that clip right now. Also, one of my favorite items that I got is this little gingerbread Christmas cup. If you follow my channel, you know that I am obsessed with dishware and cups and mugs, so this is going to be a cute little addition to my collection. I'm going to be making a lot of hot cocoa and gingerbread items. I even got some gingerbread whipped cream from Target, so I'm so excited to make gingerbread hot cocoa. And like I always say, if you put food or drinks in cute dishware, cups, or anything, it automatically, there is a science behind it, but it just automatically tastes better. But that is all for my Christmas room and cozy desk makeover. Thank you guys so much for sticking around till the end. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I had absolutely nothing to really go on. There wasn't a lot of cozy desk inspiration, so I really kind of went off of what I just thought of in my head, but I'm really happy with this little gingerbread pink pastel theme, and I'm so happy with it. Pinkmas all the way. And if you're interested, I'm going to be posting a lot of Vlogmas videos, so make sure that you subscribe and stick around because I cannot wait to see you in the upcoming videos. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your cocoa and enjoy the soon-to-be chilly weather, and take care and stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!